Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the fastest and in my opinion, the safest and best way to get free Robux in 2025. Let's get straight into the video. So in my opinion, the fastest way is going to be going over to this website over here. It is called Metal, and this is a really big website. It's trustworthy. It's basically where you record clips and stuff if you want to share specific clips of your gameplay, etc. But basically they have a partnership with Roblox going on right now, where if you invite your friends to Metal, you can earn Robux, and every friend you invite, you will earn 100 Robux. So, and there's no limit basically to how many friends you can actually invite. So all you need to do is, or what your friend essentially needs to do, well, first of all, what you need to do is, I believe you need to actually download Metal, and then let me just make sure. Yeah, but basically all your friend really needs to do is the friend you invite, he must do the following in order. So what he needs to do is sign up for Metal. So I believe I don't think you need to make an account, or sorry, I don't think you need to download. I think you just need to sign up. So you can just go ahead and make an account. But anyways, once you make an account, invite your friend, and what your friend needs to do is make an account as well. Once he makes his account, he needs to input your Metal username. So the person who's getting the Robux, he needs to input his username in the referral section during the setup, and it's going to be in settings under my account, and then under enter referral code. And then all they need to do after that is just simply verify their phone number, and then you can go ahead and complete and claim their user quest. Once they basically do that user quest, you will get 100 Robux, and you guys will be good to go. And you can do this with as many friends as you want. So if you have 10 friends, that will be 1,000 Robux. If you have 20, that will be 2,000, etc., etc. So yeah, that is basically it. That is, in my opinion, the safest and the fastest way to get free Robux. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.